is a big time recommendation video for everybody who loves coffee. Me being a coffee fan myself, I can vouch for this brand. This is one of the best coffees that I've ever had. Maybe one day I was scrolling through Amazon and I got through this brand. It's called Origo Ground. This is a premix coffee and this is my 4th bottle. I've been using this for the past 3 months now and it is amazing. I can absolutely assure you that you're gonna have the best coffee, and it's super easy. It's very quick, it's easy. Since I've been living alone for quite some time now, it helps my mornings get better instantly. And I have this before going to office. I take this to my office as well. It's super easy to carry, and I want you guys to have this and let me know how it is. I assure you it's gonna be the best.